Alright guys, we're back of day 2 of drilling out these spot welds. This is taking forever. I broke all the drill bits. So, we ordered off Amazon some more of these bad boys. Obviously it's a different tool, but it works the same. I tried one out, works pretty good. So, let's get started. Alright, so the goal today is to not drill any holes in the floor. Remember that. So, yesterday after the camera was done, these seams right here, these are all along here, so I just took a wire wheel and got all that off so I could see where the spot welds are. It's a lot easier to be able to identify that, so just a little tip for you guys doing it at home. So what I found works best is you want to start the drill first and then lightly apply pressure, and then once you get a groove going, then you slowly lay into it. That way it doesn't walk on you and move away. It gives it a good base and foundation to start really digging in. Close, very close to breaking that one. It's a very long process. Is it enjoyable? Can't say the answer is yes. Definitely cannot. Woo! I almost went face first there. Alright, let's see how loose it is now. Try and pop some of them off, pry them out a little bit. So you can see that it's out. Here, let me grab the screwdriver. This might be hard to see, but you can see some of them are loose, which is exactly what we want. So this side is pretty much done outside of this guy here. And then, I think, yeah, so you can see it's getting hung up on that guy. Got a couple on the ceiling. This side's completely done. See where I went through the floor. Let me turn the light on. See a little bit of the foam from the carpet. Yeah, good job, Gino. You're great. Doing great. Things are all fantastic. I didn't mean to make the light brighter. I'm gonna blind myself. Safety glasses. Get back to it. So again, on that one we're going deep because there's 2 plates to go through. Alright, this thing's starting to die. Full battery. We in business. Whoa! Just skipped a lot. All right. theory, it should pop once I get to the spot that I need. I didn't say Siri, I said theory. Quiet, please. She's loose. Alright, with this guy there should be a good amount of pressure on this, so once we get through that one, it should pop right out. I feel like these bits are stronger because I feel like I should have broke it there, but it didn't break. But the problem is it skates around and then creates a huge hole, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because you clearly get the spot weld, but it just makes the hole so big. And then it starts walking around like you could see. Well, we saw it lift, the screwdriver didn't fall, so. Whoa. One left. That right there, my friends, is success. That side's free. Kind of a hard angle there.
Do it over the light. Head down a little bit now. See if we can figure out where it's stuck. It's not in the front here, because this side. Is it something right on the top, right over here? Right. The top one. No, right there.
Might be getting stuck on the little nub.
Yeah. Oh, look on the back side before you pull it out. Check the back side of that hump. Is it off?
Yeah, because it's stuck on the nub also.
Okay. Oh.
That's why I don't use screwdrivers. It's probably.
It's a craftsman.
So that's what they're made for.
Yeah, they're warranted for life.
I promise I wasn't using it with a hammer.
Moving it around. Try, while it's wedged in there, try and drill that top one. You know, yeah.
It's already out though. It's just the nub that it creates is stuck on the bracket.
Run the chisel through that side. Leave that screwdriver in there.
That's a better idea.
Pop the nub.
Yeah. And we're stuck on nubs on this side. Did you still have that other chisel?
Yeah.
Because we're on. gonna try and bend this up. Okay.
It is somewhere over here.
Oh, wait.
Is there one in there?
Yeah, I'm an idiot. I forgot. There's one right here.
I was gonna say, it seems like it's stuck in the middle.
Don't be like me. Hopefully we didn't bend the body. Makes sense though.
Yeah, I was like, there's something in the middle holding it. I took the screwdriver.
Oh.
What?
I think I got. Maybe.
You did it.
It's hard to see because all the little metal shavings.
Yeah. There you go. What's those little plastic clips for the inside body?
Look at that.
For the inside of the body? So
Think so.
Probably for your...
Either way, success.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy how strong spot weld are.
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, we're getting better. Got them all down. Just got this one where we went through the floor, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. Next step will be shaving all the nubs off. But that'll be for next time because this video is probably already going to be kind of long. Maybe not because I'm going to cut it all out, but who knows. There's the pieces that we took off. A bunch of body wax on there so it doesn't rust. But pretty big pain in the ass to get it off. These guys aren't bad at all. This guy, pain in the ass. Nonetheless though, she's out, so progress. Got the sun on my face. Almost need to block it, need some sunglasses. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.